Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Volkswagen Superior Motorhome is a well-thought-out development in the recreational vehicle market that seeks to redefine efficiency, comfort, and intelligent integration in a recognizable yet sophisticated package. This imagined motorhome would establish Volkswagen as a highly capable and sophisticated choice for discriminating tourists, building on the company's long-standing reputation for sensible engineering, careful design, and an emphasis on user experience. The 2026 Superior Motorhome's exterior is probably going to be elegant yet subtle, taking cues from Volkswagen's modern passenger and commercial car designs. Clean lines, effective aerodynamics, and a well-proportioned profile that puts equal emphasis on internal space and aesthetic appeal are all to be expected. Modern LED lighting technology, which provides excellent illumination and a unique visual signature, would undoubtedly be integrated. The design would change to maximize parking and mobility without sacrificing internal volume, depending on the desired market category, compact, midsize, or big, of the motorhome. To improve functionality, useful elements like built-in utility hookups, lots of external storage, and perhaps even creative expandable parts, slide-outs, would be effortlessly integrated. The 2026 Volkswagen Superior Motorhome's superiority would be most evident inside. Anticipate a finely designed living area that makes the most of every square inch with innovative layout and high-quality materials. High-quality, long-lasting finishes, possibly with eco-friendly options, would make the space feel cozy and welcoming. Versatility would probably be given top priority in the design, making it simple to switch between sleeping, dining, and relaxing positions. Standard amenities would include a modern, small bathroom, a cozy sleeping area with well-considered storage options, and a well-equipped kitchenette with effective appliances. Volkswagen's dedication to ergonomics and user-friendly interfaces would result in a cabin with conveniently located and easy-to-use controls for entertainment, lighting, and climate. Smart storage options, which are frequently found in Volkswagen's smaller cars, would be expanded to accommodate longer trips while maintaining a clutter-free atmosphere. A strong and effective drivetrain, probably utilizing the cutting-edge engine technologies of the Volkswagen Group, would support the 2026 Superior Motorhome. To address changing environmental concerns and offer improved fuel economy, these might feature extremely efficient turbocharged gasoline or diesel engines, or even a plug-in hybrid. Volkswagen's usual poise and ease of use define the driving experience, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, are essential for improving safety and lowering driver fatigue on lengthy trips. Driving confidence would be increased by features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and parking aid. The 2026 Volkswagen Superior Motorhome would essentially seek to provide a well-balanced combination of cutting-edge technology, elegant comfort, and useful functionality. It would serve people and families looking for a dependable, well-designed, and visually appealing mobile retreat that provides an incredibly good experience while traveling.